Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean the exhaust tips, because there's one thing I often get asked. Pretty simple to do. Tin foil, doesn't matter which one or what one, a couple of pieces. And personally I like to recommend white diamond chrome polish. Very good stuff. It was new to the market a few years ago. I actually managed to get hold of some and actually test out when I was working for Maserati a few years ago. So first thing you're going to want to do is take a piece of foil, fold it in half. That's going to be pretty, just needs to do the job. Take your diamond bright and just put about a small amount on and work it into the tips. It doesn't matter how you do it, you are going to go through a couple of pieces of this, guys, because some tin foils are better than others. You see this one's starting to fall apart already. Cheap tin foil for the win. Haven't got to be aggressive about it, haven't got to be overzealous with it. Just work it in. Each time you grab a new piece, again, just fold it in half just to help it a bit. And just apply a little bit more of the compound. Again, just start to work it in. What you can also do is fold it again, smaller, helps you get in there a bit better. It's a relatively easy, simple process. Shouldn't take you no longer than 5-10 minutes to do. I've used many different features over the years to do it and get rid of it. I actually learned this off of one of the teachers from AutoSmart, who's actually a very good friend of mine, Craig Wallace, who recommended it to me when I had my Subaru Impreza a couple of years ago. And I found over the years that the tin foil is the best to use to do the job. Now your hands will get quite dirty from it, and the foil will get quite worn down, so make sure you have a rag to hand. Again, any rag. With this, it's also a polish as well, guys, so it also buffs the tips for you. Now some of this black bit is a bit harder to get off. I've got to put a little bit more time and effort into it. Again, it all depends how far you want to go with it and how long you want to be here. Now bear in mind, guys, I am doing this left-handed, or cack-handed if you like. Decided to set the camera up the wrong side. Awfully clever of me. You're not going to get it all off, by the way. You will get most of it off, at least I'd say 90% of it off. But as you can see already, it is actually a lot better than it first was. Haven't got to worry about scratching your chrome either, because it hasn't got enough enough of a rough edge, if you like, to scratch the chrome, so don't need to worry about that, guys. And you can take it to the next level and you can spend cleaning the inside of your tips here. Personally, there's no point, because many people know my car, and many people know the st225 is quite prone to flames. Mine likes to shoot some nice 2-3 foot flames at times. So it's kind of pointless. But as you can see, guys, that is a lot better than when we first started. Again, you know we're going to get it off. That black is a little tougher. I've already done this one. It's stinking as well. But as you can see, diamond white metal polish and just some household tin foil, and your tips are sweet. And that is pretty much it, guys. So let me know what you think in the comments, like, subscribe, and I'll be back for another video at some point. Thanks, guys.